again guys for this unboxing video which I already unboxed the 45 pieces cordless screwdriver. This is powered by a battery which you can charge, cordless, that you can bring anywhere, any place. Okay, let's open it. Yeah, as you can see, it's so tight. It's good. The price for this is only $335 in Lazada. The manual, okay. It has a charger. The good for this is the pistol driver has a good feature. It has a flashlight. We'll see it later. Okay. There they put the charger connection. Simple. It has different screw which has 5 pieces. The button has a counter clockwise. It can reverse. There you go, there's a light. Okay. Sorry for this. It blurs. Okay. Easy to put in. Reverse. It's so cheap because it's cost only here. Price is $335. Separate with their so-called the delivery expense. As for me here in Visayas, the delivery charge, the tip is 170. So you guys, you can buy this in Lazada. Okay, for my next video, let me show you the toolbox car motorcycle repair set. Okay.